All right, so if you see live captions actively popping up on your screen on your Google Pixel phone when you're watching a video or listening to audio, there's a couple of easy ways to turn that off. The easiest way would be to use the physical volume buttons on the side. If you click those keys and look under that slider, there's this little box here that allows you to turn live captions on or off. If it's enabled like this, just tap it and you'll see a little line strike through indicating that it's currently turned off. Another way to do this would be through your settings. Go to Settings, and then go to Sound and Vibration. In this menu, scroll down and you'll see a section here for Live Caption. If you have it turned on, just toggle that switch off and it'll stop. Also, if you want to remove live captions from that volume slider menu, for example, if you're using the volume sliders and you accidentally keep turning it on, you can hide it from the slider. If you scroll down here, there's a toggle for Live Caption in Volume Control. If you turn that off, you'll see it's now gone from the slider. And that's how you turn off live captions on your Google Pixel. Click that like button if this video helped you, and subscribe for more easy guides like this. Thanks all, until next time.